Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone not showing the caller ID for incoming calls, then do the following steps to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on phone. Under phone, we are going to tap on show my caller ID and make sure that this option is enabled. After that, we are going back to settings and tap on journal and tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Under general, we are going to check one more thing, that is date and time, and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Here we are going to do one more thing, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. Finally, what we have to do, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.